We're at Prime 14 or 14 Prime. 14 Prime. I've never been here, but I'm being celebrated by my girls. Shayla.
Cheers to that.
and Bree. Chase.
Oh my Lord.
I appreciate y'all. I didn't expect this, and of course I've been celebrating since the 15th. And my birthday is the 25th. But Brianna couldn't be here, so she made sure she celebrated her daddy, and she sent me here with the oldest one. The one that makes me nervous.
Why that make you nervous? Huh? Answer the question. What you getting?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah, take your time. I have no idea.
But I'll say this. I don't even know, really. I'm caught up in words because I'm so excited that they decided to do this for me. And
shout out to my sister, Brianna, the little big sister.
But we're gonna sit here, and I think my daughter has allowed herself to believe that I'm as bougie as my wife when it comes to restaurants, and I'm not. But I'm thankful and appreciative that we're here and we're gonna have a good time. Thank you, Brianna. Thank you, Brianna. Thank you, Shayla. Thank you, Jason, Dez, Lil Fred, Caleb, Doug, all of everybody. I appreciate
Muda. Put my cousin in there.
But we're going to figure out what we're going to do as far as what I'm going to eat, because I have no idea truly what's on this menu. But it's my birthday, and I'm going to enjoy myself. God, I thank you for the opportunity just to say, God, I thank you, because this is one of those God, I thank you moments. Happy birthday to Craig. Y'all have a good rest of your night.